I'm here, do music. I'm Kenny's last thing.
Hold on, what's your name?
Yeah, Molly. My name's Jay.
What type of music do you make?
You haven't seen it still.
You haven't seen it. It's your new era, isn't it?
100%.
New era.
I'm trying to get back to the usual, get back to the norm. You did me crazy on levels like what was it for? She won't go unless she gets bored.
What about you, bro? Yeah? What type of music do you make?
Never heard before.
Never heard before as well?
Never heard before.
How, like, if you had to, like, compare it to an artist, who would it be?
No, City.
Come down, bro. Fuck.
Even Cocky.
City?
Compared to myself.
Literally, City, bro.
What's your name? City. City, yeah? Alright, cool. So, new wave, yeah? Welcome to the Overground.
Overground.
Yeah, that's my thing. It's called Welcome to the Overground.
I rate that.
It's a platform to promote rising from the underground. Like the term underground is a bit like it
Keeps you there, innit? Yeah, of course.
Underground, bro. It's not an overground.
This isn't no underground, bro. This is straight overground. This is overground shit. 100%.
Alright, what's up? Who we here with?
Laicositna, you already know, USA in the building.
The tropic, post me on Twitter, she a bird, I'm her topic. We out in the yams and you know she sitting topless. Put up in the bins, drop the top cause we hot.
Yes.
I was gonna say where you from, but you just said it.
Jersey. I'm an artist. Check me out at the Laicositna, TheLeiswan.
What the fuck are you doing in London?
Doing some shows. Actually, shit, I'm on tour.
When's the next show?
Actually Tuesday. I gotta check the address. I don't know the UK address, but I gotta check it out.
I've just invited myself to the show.
Yeah. You better come. I'm gonna hold you to it.
Not before. What type of music do you make?
Everything. Rap, house, soca, EDM, janton. Which one listen to? Eritrea. Ooh.
Sure.
Yes. Yeah, I said Eritrea, but we don't have a show, so.
Do you know where Comoros is?
No, I don't. Uncultured. Uncultured one.
Not smart.
You're not that smart.
You're Eritrean, you should know.
I'm glad that you're Eritrean. Man,
I get converted.
you know how they do. They took us out. They took us out our motherland. They tried to get us into that regular white shit.
At least you know.
You know. At least I know.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Let's go, bro. I'm not for sure. Like we'll connect. I'm trying to see what you got.
Absolutely. I'm excited. Of course.
Everybody step back. Wait. Cigarette ain't good.
New York or Jersey?
Like what I prefer?
Yeah.
New York.
New York.
Yes, the vibe.
And you're from Jersey?
Yes, sir.
I thought you guys had
I
beef.
live in LA.
You live in LA?
Yeah, I live in LA.
How long you been living there for?
5 years. Like, where have you been? I was like, I went up here and it was like, right? Where have you been?
Can I turn on the mic? Alright, cool. Now we got two things.
Can I get you luck?
Cheers, guys. Okay, well done, bro. Where's your name from? Your face is familiar.
Your name's from the fucking next topic. The singing challenge thing. Singing challenge. I've been pointing it.
Yeah, you perform in it. Not me, bro. Look in it. Yeah, bro. It's up.
Alright, we're live. DJ Kenny Stars, champion. You know, we're my boy today. You know who it is, man. You know who it is.
Oh, man. Oh, I see you around, innit? Man.
Hi. I'm already waved.
I tried buzzballs for the first time, and I mixed it with my Maggie, the real Maggie, the green one.
That's dangerous.
I had both of them. I swear down, it's the best mix ever.
I need to try that.
Buzzballs, it's not on the raid, I can't lie.
No, on the raid.
It's
Where
not.
did you get it? Is that something Houston?
You know St. Mary's Road, yeah? There's that next to the chicken shop. It's not bad. If you guys know about this place, this is one of the first venues I snuck into. That's for the Babyface Ray concert. We're backstage right now. Now we're back for another event. Gave me nostalgia. Got 6 over here. Deadest artists in the game. Is the colour? What is it?
You sure you don't want to get a wristband as well?
Do you want a wristband? She's got one.
Grab me one, bro. Where am I going?
Inside? Wait, hold on. I'm just waiting for a friend. Wait. Hold on. Get in the vlog. Come in the vlog.
Hi guys. What am I supposed to tell them?
Shush.
Well, what am I telling them?
Whatever you want.
So, yo, we're outside right now. Whoosh.
Did you know I was gonna be here?
I had no idea, bro. This guy's everywhere.
Yeah, well, that means that's a good thing, though.
Huh?
You're always at the right place. Reception is for restaurants.
Right now, but yo. So I work on the boats on the Thames at the moment.
Interesting.
Very interesting. That's what I'm really nervous. I'm working on music. So Miss Ruby.
I'm an executive producer.
Okay.
I can mix, I can master. I do.
Take your Instagram then.
It's not mine. You will.
My nigga.
So I started a live stream recently, and I basically invite artists in the stream. We make a beat from scratch, and then we make songs to it.
Hold on, before we continue, I just want to apologize for the audio issues here. There's 2 microphones clashing, and we've got bloody 6 over there chatting about her cats. We do not care about your cat, 6.
Yeah, I know. I've got Nico. He makes songs. Like, he's a songwriter, he's a producer, he does it all. I'm telling you, he's lit. He makes
I'm not to network, to be honest.
he makes beats, so we show you him.
I ain't here
I'm gonna make money eventually, but like,
You know what I mean?
I don't care to make money. I want to gain. Look, let me show you Nico.
Show me Nico.
Now I've got to decide what I'm gonna drop today because
I ain't the biggest in the world, but you know, we're on the way.
he makes beats. That stuff that's on my SoundCloud, I've mixed myself. You see yourself as being so put it in there because I've already paid for my distribution, so I can pay whatever I want to pay. It's just like I don't even use SoundCloud. I didn't have to have that money.
You look
I got
familiar.
my laptop so that I can light my brethren and stuff, but I don't use it.
Oh shit, yeah, no, he's doing everything. Oh shit, okay.
Listen, if you want, you two should
Me and my friends do the same. So I make like French, and I mix French and English.
Yeah, okay.
My music.
Music
I started making beats recently, but I've been mixing engineering for a while. I shoot
It's real.
videos.
Like, I make music
creative
for myself to listen to, but
I run a
I know niggas can relate. You know what I'm saying?
Of course.
The songs that I've dropped on my SoundCloud, all the songs I've mixed myself. I only started mixing in April. The ones on my Spotify,
everything. I'm a creative.
The freestyle, I recorded like 3 years ago.
I create.
I need clothes.
I've got so many songs that I've hold.
You need to help. I'm trying to rebrand myself. I've got mood boards and everything.
So like as much as I want my career to blow, it's gonna blow eventually.
Because
I don't really care, but I do care. I'm the eldest of 10 siblings. I gotta care. You know what I'm saying? 10, yes.
I can do this shit.
What? Oh my gosh.
My name's S-Kayy. My real name, my brother's Sohan.
What do you like to be called?
Up to you, S-Kayy or Sohan?
I have
or Sohan. I don't like when girls call me by like.
I'm the eldest of my mom, I'm the eldest of my dad's side. I'm the only one between my mom and my dad.
You're already fucked. Okay, that's
So I've got one of my the youngest. This guy is a gremlin.
Do you remember my name?
Art's no good continuously. Like, I don't think there's a time in the day where he's not doing good. Unless I'd be like, put this in the rubbish. He'll be like, okay. No, I'd be like, well done.
Yeah.
But he's up to no good. She'll deserve my cats, deserve my dog. I have 6 cats.
Let's bring it on. Nice to meet you.
Yo, I have 6 cats.
I'll see you around anyway.
You can actually make a whole podcast.
What we saying?
A whole podcast about cats.
Cats over dogs any day.
I've got 1 dog, but I've got 6 cats. So who weighs 6 cats? I've got 6 cats.
You fucking grandma.
And now I've got like 8 kittens. If you want a kitten, I'll give it to you for free.
I don't mind.
I've got some black and white ones. I've got some tabby ones.
No, the black and white ones. I hate black and white kittens. They're bad weird.
Are you done?
No, they're hard, but I have one in Paris. I got one in Paris. Yeah, she never comes out. She's, but I haven't seen her in like 4 years, bro.
People talk about ginger cats, but the black and white ones, they're the real crackhead.
I got a ginger cat, yeah. My man rings the doorbell, fam. That's a real.
My black and white cat. It used to. Do you know the dash flap on the door?
Yeah.
It rings it like trash bikes.
This is my baby. This is Toby. This is my baby. I love this guy. I swear down. I'll give my life. I'll give my life for this cat.
Let me see the shot of the cat.
This is my cat.
It's a meaty cat.
Sorry, this is one of my cats. I've got his sister and his mum and dad.
They can't see.
Oh, is it not? It's not.
It's too bad. Yeah, but black and white cat basically.
I love this guy. He understands English and when I'm talking gibberish. I promise you.
And you got dogs as well.
I've got 1 dog.
What's the
I've got
dog?
a Dutch Shepherd. She's 9 this month.
Okay. Is that basically a German Shepherd?
She's 9. She was 9 3 days ago. Sorry.
Go down.
Tell me how you feel, do you even feel the same? I've been getting high, but I feel so low. Money was the goal, I took a low blow. If it never been.
Hold on, sorry, I just had to pause it there because my man looks like he's struggling with his camera.
Unfortunately, my mistakes don't to the wrong turn. Now I'm looking for the right way in this wrong world. I don't. She know that my favorite concept. This nigga had me some shit we won't remember. She independent, always work getting checked up. Me go, I need resting. I'm tired, I've been stressing. Let me in my eyes, you can tell that I've been. Yo. Tell me how you feel, do you even feel the same? I've been getting high, but I feel so low. Money was the goal, I took a low blow. If it never benefits, why would I bet on it? Unfortunately, my mistakes don't to the wrong turn. Now I'm looking for the right way in this wrong world. I don't know where to go, and I'm feeling so lost. I said, girl, I need some hope.
I go by the name of Sound Wise, and I say, oi, you say, oi, 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 oi. Big up Kenny also one time. We're at level 3 right now, we're loading. Let me take you guys like level 6, 7, level 6, yeah? This next song's called Batman, it's another new one, and listen. It kind of goes like this, I want to jump and I want to say, hey. And I say, hey. Batman, don't get in their feelings, Batman, get on with it. Hey. Batman, I'm already got their feelings, she wanna hop with that shit. Hey. Shut up, one more time, let me hear it. We're trying to song after me, when I say hey, you say hey. Wait. Bad man, don't get in their feelings. Bad man, get on with it. Hey, bad man, have all the girl them feelings. She wanna hop on that shit. Hey, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's rock. Let's go. Bad man, don't get in their feelings. Bad man, get on with it. Hey, bad man, have all the girl them feelings. She wanna hop on that shit. Hey, bad man, don't get in their feelings. Bad man, don't get shit. Bad man, don't get.
Tu me cales pas quand t'es sobre. Quand t'es high, tu me connais, yeah. Cales pas quand t'es sobre. Quand t'es high, tu me connais. J'suis addicted to pouring up. Making hits till the morning, yeah. I sound from ends, I'm a foreigner. Foreign cars, seen with a gang, we touring, yeah. You sleeping on me, you snoring, huh? Don't be that guy that pops back up when you see me.
Even if you don't know any of some of these UK rap classics, we're going to take it back to my heritage. Let me start off there from an artist by the name of Timbo. Shout out to anyone that remembers this one. I'm going to take it back to Timbo, okay? I'm taking it there. STP. My day ones were all the STP mixtape. We're going to take it there. I'm just going to try it. Let me try it.
One day I'll feel don't be thinking about it. That be love, feel
Emotioned up, my college crush wanna get lotioned up. J'suis pas un bâtard, j'suis juste nonchalant. Quand on rentre du club, c'est moi le chauffeur.
Oh, what's up? What's your name?
Oh my god, hey! My name is Omatayo. I am a model, senior science technician, mother of two, girlfriend, and socialite. Girl, get it. Let's get it. Yes. My kids are 9 and 7. Let me just say it to whoever is listening and needs to hear it. You can do it all, babe. For real. I'm 30 and I'm giving. I'm 30 and I'm giving life. The recipe is give yourself balance, have mental breaks. How you go on holidays, you book your holidays, yeah? You book your £700 holidays. Book your £700 2 weeks off at home, doing your ironing, doing your life stuff, for real. Do you, and look after your health. Smile. And go to places like Champion.
When she drunk or high, I'm fly. No lie, no lie, no lie, no lie. I tell her bye. Yeah, pull up to the crib and we're going all night. Bad little shorty, she knows she fine. Back to the crib, I only hit one time. Only hit on my phone when you're lit. It's 2 a.m. and I hear the phone ringing. Lately I'm grinding, I'm minding my business. I'm counting my blessings up until I'm finished. Yeah, we done it on the back seat and we done it on the front. She only used me for my bankroll, I know I use it for the front. Yes, fuck, but I match with you. Cales pas quand t'es sobre. Quand t'es high, tu me connais. J'suis addicted to pouring up. Making hits till the morning, yeah.
My name's S-Kayy, I'm from Paris. I got a movement called Welcome to the Overground.
I love that.
What do you think it means?
I think it means putting the underground on a pedestal. Treating it like it's a little thing.
Fucking on point. It's about rising from the underground and not labeling ourselves underground because, you know, I feel like it's belittling a bit. And when you're labeled underground, you're just always in that label. So my whole thing is called Welcome to the Overground. And obviously I'm trying to link up and collaborate and network with all the underground.
You sound like you're from Ends though.
I know, I've lived there for a while, but if you want, I can put the French accent on, you know, easy. But yeah, bro. Obviously, I started a live stream recently, and I invite obviously different artists. We make the beat from scratch and we record to it. You can hear the reverb, the auto tune, everything. You can see the DAW. You can see the whole screen, everything we do in it. So obviously, I've been following you for a bit. I know that you're in the whole, I guess, overground scene. You know what I mean? You're Overground, so it would be a pleasure. It would be a pleasure to have you on the show one day. I'm not the biggest in the world, but I know that what I'm doing right now is gonna go.
Yeah, you were saying something.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm not the biggest in the world right now, but obviously I get myself in the right places, so I think that says a lot already. So it would be a pleasure to have you on the show one day.
What's it called? The new Overground.
So yeah, it's called Welcome to the Overground. My name's S-Kayy. English people call me S-Kayy. So yeah, man. Like, if you got anything to say to them, like introduce yourself.
Sam-wise,
French audience right there as well.
Big up my French people, my Parisians. You know, I be in and out of Paris. Sam-wise, Sam Shadamas, Wisington the first.
I'm from Kennerton where they gang bang, pull a scam on a santan. Man, I sleep is the sand man. I do me, I'm just one man. Your ting on my Insta, yo. Wanna chill with the rapper, yo.
I'm with S-Kayy right now. Wisington the first. See what I'm saying? S-Kayy, S-Kayy, whatever you wanna call it. Each one works, you understand? Each one teach one. Love yourself, work hard, don't complain. Bad man don't get in their feelings. Bad man, get on with it. You understand? Yeah, hit me,
I was born in Paris, and then I grew up in the East, and then I moved to Northwest. Now I live in Overground. So everything he does is literally around the corner. I shoot short films. I know he's gonna be out of the way soon, so it's like I'm trying to network for real, man. I'm trying to build myself. Meet the right people.
Actually do it.
It's nice to meet you, bro.
Likewise.
I hope you get to work one day.
Likewise. What happens? What's happening?
Obviously, wait, hold on. Let me flip the camera. Cool. So my name's S-Kayy, bro. I'm from Paris. I know I sound from Ends. I've lived here for a while. You know what I mean?
Oh, so you just adopted it?
I've lived here for a while. If you want, I can put on the French accent. Tu connais? But obviously, I'm an exec producer. I'm a creative. My whole movement is called Welcome to the Overground. And obviously, I want to connect with the underground music industry and basically put them on a pedestal. I feel like the underground word is very like belittling. It puts you in like a category where you're kind of stuck there. So my whole thing is overground.
Once upon a time, yeah.
But nowadays, I feel like there needs to be another word to describe that. You know what I mean? And my whole thing is overground.
I'll be real with you. I believe underground makes sense.
Yeah.
Because that's where it originally comes from, isn't it?
That's where it comes from. But now it's overground. Like it's more than underground. You know what I'm saying?
Well, if you change the name itself, you're getting rid of the whole culture behind it.
I'm not changing the name.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about saying.
The underground still exists, but my thing is overground. So there's a way to identify overground artists. I feel like artists, you have a mainstream potential, or you have that mainstream sound, they're overground to me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So then you got
everyone's listening to the guys that nobody knows right now. Those are the guys that are getting the most attention right now.
And they're underground, but I feel like the word underground is very belittling, and it just keeps you in like a box.
100%. If you want to, based on the historical point of view, you got several artists that are forever going to be underground, but they have a overground essence.
Yeah.
Look at people like Style Speed. They made off mixtapes. That's what they done. Papoose, mixtapes. But they have an overground presence, so they tied in. Does it make sense? They don't really have a mainstream track like that.
That's true.
And bro, the underground stuff is more exciting, bro.
Exactly.
Because it's like, you see the way the underground's set up now, it's a thing where the mainstream, you know it's going to do well, bro. It's mainstream. If someone drops, you know they're going number one. With the underground, you want to see where it's going to go. It's more interesting to tap into, and the sounds are different.
The mainstream, however,
you know you're not going to predict.
You see the mainstream sound, the whole mainstream theme word. I feel like it's linked to like the whole label side and just labels putting in that budget into you and just boosting.
Yeah, it depends on who you are. It's got different meanings. But
what does it mean to you?
How I see it is, what people perceive mainstream to be is that regurgitated similar sound, if it makes sense. Everyone has a similar type of something.
It's like friendly to everyone.
Yeah.
To the white people, to the old
exactly.
people.
If there's like a blueprint that people are trying to buy to. Because with the underground, there's always say 3 years before, if it makes sense. 3-4 years before. Everyone's started it beforehand, and then it'll catch up. And that's when the mainstream.
It's always ahead of its time.
Exactly. That's how it works out. And that's how I personally see it.
For sure. That's good. So what do you do?
Me?
You seem like a creative guy. You just do a bit of everything and you don't know what to say.
Yeah, I'm a complicated individual. That's what I'll say. I'm a complicated individual. Yeah. Done a few events from here and there. A bit of development from here and there. Literally, that's a bit of everything.
Just a bit. You're creative.
Yeah.
What about you?
I'm a producer. Producer, engineer.
Okay.
Run the studio.
Okay. So I recently started a live stream. I started streaming, and the whole concept is making a beat from scratch for the artist, and then recording the song live.
Well, that's what I do every day in the studio.
What, streaming?
Not streaming, but a man's gonna link me with no beat, no lyrics written, and then we figure it out.
That's how I started. So you can see my JW. Obviously, I used Studio 1. You can hear the old tunes, you can hear the reverb, everything. Obviously, I've come here today to just meet like-minded individuals, people who've been doing this already, people who want to start, and I'm just here to network for real. So.
Yeah, bro, there's lots of artists in it.
I've seen that.
Lots of artists in it.
But I don't know there's a couple people I know, a couple people I don't know.
You'll be surprised who you talk to.
Yeah, but it would be good to work with you guys one day and see where we can go. You know what I mean?
Yo,
what's the best way to do
There's no way. There's no way.
Have you got your drink yet?
I went outside to the car.
Has he got your drink yet?
I haven't moved an inch, Josh.
I'm telling you no.
What are you talking about, buddy? Wait, what's going on there?
What's the best way to be in contact? What's the best way to be in contact? Instagram, WhatsApp? Instagram.
I want to go probably like you, I swear. Yeah, man.
I'm waiting for a drink. So we're together.
I want to go probably. Listen, I'm just here.
Where's your studio?
Stoke Newton.
Stoke Newton.
Well, you're based in London, you said, yeah? Where?
Yeah. Northwest.
Northwest. So like Wembley.
Type shit. Like Woolsden, Harlesden.
Okay, yeah.
Literally Nines, where literally on near Church Road and shit. What was your name?
Tiny.
What about you? What's your name?
Jazz. It's Jazz.
Huh?
Jazz.
Jazz, and what do you do? Do you mind being in the vlog?
I work in finance.
Finance?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what you, is that your dream career?
I want to do fashion.
Fashion? What? Clothes, runaways?
I even want to design or style someone.
Okay. Can you style me? I'll be real. I'm trying to rebrand myself.
Of course I'll style you.
I wanna go for the 2000s Nelly vibes.
Calm, I've got you.
R&B. So I'm French.
Are you?
Yeah, I was born in Paris. A lot of people don't believe me because I sound like I'm from London.
Okay.
But when I show my ID and when I get them to type their Instagram, they see the keyboard layout is all different. You know, they believe me.
That is lit.
But I make like French, R&B. I mix it with English. So I'm bilingual. I mix it. So I'm trying to have like the whole creative direction behind it. What do you think? What do you see for me?
What do I see for you?
Yeah, in terms of styling. Like what do you see?
I can't tell you, but I can show you.
You can show me.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
Alright, fair enough. What's the best way to be in contact with you then? Instagram. Alright.
I want to do 2 days. Yes, at the top, see?
Okay, cool. Send yourself a DM just so you know it's me.
What's your name again?
Sohan or S-Kayy.
Sorry, miss. Can you do it for me, please? Oh, there's too much. Oh, I'm so...
You're lucky I've got the sexiest phone case. You're lucky.
There's too much going on right now.
What was you gonna send? What was you gonna say?
Whatever your name was.
Oh, okay.
It's, well, you know how to spell it.
I'll tell you my real name. It's like this. How'd you say it?
Sohan.
Yeah, don't say the H though.
Sohan.
I'll accept that.
Say it again.
Sohan.
Sohan.
You said that nicely. You said that like a French girl. What's the flags about?
I'm Thai and American. I'm British.
Thai? You know, that's one of my favorite countries at the moment. I've been to Bali, but my next country I want to go to is Thailand.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, I know. Where were you born?
Huh?
Where were you born?
In England.
Okay, when's the last time you went to Thailand?
2019.
And what would you recommend I do over there when I'm there?
Do you know what I love to do? Like the elephant sanctuary.
What's that? Oh, like just riding elephants?
No, you don't ride them.
Oh.
That's for not. You can't ride them there. It's just like I don't know. You look after them.
Like a petting zoo.
Not a petting zoo, but you like wash them, feed them, you look after them.
Okay.
But I'm gonna be 30 next year, so I wanna go. Yeah. So I wanna get to my 30th.
Never mind. No comment.
How old do you think I was? 23, 24?
Something like that.
25?
Something like that. You know. But that's fine.
I get that all the time.
Of course, that's a good thing though. How old do you think I am?
21, 22.
That's a good guess.
23.
I'm 17. No, I'm joking.
I'm like, what is here?
I'm joking. No, I'm 22. It's a good guess. But I usually get told I'm younger because I got a bit of a baby face. You know.
When's your birthday?
28th of April. Yeah. How about you?
24th of August.
Okay. I'll hit you up for sure. Cheers. What are you drinking on?
Rum and lemonade, I think. Did you try?
Everybody put on your